Hey everyone, Amanda Pavia here. Thank you so much for joining us for our virtual cheer lesson of the day. Today we are going to teach you a fun sideline dance routine. For this, we're going to teach 6 8 counts and it will repeat. All right everyone, I'm going to teach you the first 3 8 counts. Let's get started. Our first 8 count is going to hold and shake for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our second 8 count, we're going to step back with our right foot for 1, hold 2. We're going to come up into a liberty for 3, step it forward for 4. We're going to roll our head for 5 and 6. We're going to close for 7 and 8. We're going to flick third 8 count, 1 and 2. Bring it down for 3 and 4. We're going to bring it to 5, shake 6, turn 7 and 8. All right, let's try those first 3 8 counts all together. 5, 6, 7, 8 and shake. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Step back, 1, hold, 2, lip, 3, step, 4, head, 5 and 6, close, 7 and 8. Flick 1, flick 2, down 3 and 4, go 5 and 6, turn 7, 8, hold. From here, we're going to open up. This is going to be our next 3 8 counts. So from here, we just closed on 8. We're going to open up to a diagonal, up into your right diagonal. Go for 1, break down 2, look for 3, open up 4, 5, look down 6, open 7 and 8. From here, we're going to go into the second 8 count. We're going to rock it for 1 and 2, rock it 3 and 4. We're going to go into a step and kick for 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to shake for 1, 2, this last 8 count, 3, 4. We're going to set for 5, 6, and we're going to do our best jump for 7, 8. Let's put that all together. From here, we just did the turn, 5, 6, 7, open, 1, 2, look, 3, open, 4, 5, look, 6, open, 7 and 8. Rock 1 and 2, rock 3 and 4, step 5, 6, kick 7 and 8, shake 1 and 2, 3 and 4, best jump here, 7 and 8. Now our next 6 8 counts, we're going to go ahead and repeat. However, our last 2 8 counts, we're going to switch it up. So let's go ahead and repeat that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back for 1, 2, go 3 and 4, go 5, 6, close 7, flick 4, 1 and 2, down 3 and 4, hit 5, 6, turn 7, diagonal 1 and 2, look 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, rock 1 and 2, go 3 and 4, go 5 and 6, kick 7 and 8, shake 1 and 2, 3 and 4, best jump, 6, 7, 8, repeat 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, back 1 and 2, up 3, hit 4, go 5 and 6, clean 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2, down 3 and 4, hit 5 and 6, turn 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1 and 2, down 3 and 4, hold 5 and 6, 7 and 8, sit 1 and 2, 3, hold 4, shake 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1. Let's go ahead and add it all together. Remember, the last 2 8 counts are going to switch up just a little bit, so I'll pause and go a little slower at that point. Let's try it from the top. 5, 6, 7, shake for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, back 1, hold 2, up 3 and 4, look 5, 6, close 7, flick 4 and 2, down 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8 and 1 and 2, look 3, open 4, 5 and 6, open 7 and 8, hit 1 and 2, hit 3 and 4, step 5 and 6, kick 7 and shake 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, hold 5, best jump, 7, 8, shake 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step back, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, close 7, flick 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, shake and 6, turn 7, 8, go 1 and 2, look 3, open 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. This is where we're gonna add the new counts, cross 1 and 2, shake 3 and 4, down 5, hold 6, hold 7 and 8. We're gonna sit down 1 and 2, hold 3 and 4, shake it 5 and 6, 7 and 8, up 1. All right, all of you at home, now that you know those moves, if you have a set of poms, go ahead, go grab them. Everybody else, grab a quick drink of water, and we're gonna come right back and add some music to this routine.
All right, everyone, Amanda is back from getting her water break and her pom-poms. She's going to go ahead and turn around and perform the dance with you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.